Paano ba ako balen? Kumusta kayo po na? Ako po yung Louis Season.
Marco Nananding, we're in Pampanga.
Guys, ngayon pong aldo ngayon ni, we are delighted to be invited kayo ni pong inauguration or opening na ning metong
real estate
kayo ni pong Dau Mabalacat na.
Yes.
So apin po ining Talanai Homes and located siya po ini kaning
Sapang Baiabas, Mabalacat, Pampanga.
O ito guys, if you're interested to know more about this project na nung manintun kayo pong bale, mga kanyan, you might be interested to watch this video. So abayin nyo kami po.
So tara, let's go!
So guys, na bago mag-umpisa itang program, tinta mong chance luban lareng karelang model houses. So ingkawon tamong ngayon tamong house reveal. This is mahogany, 40 square meters yan Unit na ito tamong ngayon, end unit yan. So ring end unit guys, at nilang additional lot, balang pathway or anything siguro nung nanong malari pong pwedeng gawin. But this is what's inside. So yeah po. Manikta mo guys, that was their first level, second level, natin niya kanong adwang room. So, siguro this is great for starting up na family na mag-start up mo. One bedroom, hinitin niya kaya, cabinet. And then the other one is ito guys, so as of now, adwala pong model unit din pwedeng bisitahan, pwedeng lawin kayong kilub mo kanyan. And just to give you an idea, then pong unit na luluban tamo are dressed up, which means hindi pinaka-ideal pero potasing ma-turnover na rin, wala naman talagang furniture, sa lang TV mo yan. So kayo pong mag-design or mag-decide namin po yung gamit kayong kilub mo kanyan. So this is a palit. So floor area is 45 square meters. The entire lot area is 60. And then, wow, good enough. You have your sala, dining area, kitchen. Meron tayong karelang second floor. So, itabin guys if you have any questions or inquiries, leave them at the comment section. We're gonna give you their contact numbers. And to give you an idea, this unit is actually larger kaya ang minuna tamong pintalan. Two rooms for larger family. I guess siguro hanggang 4 or 5 members na family magyari po rin. So that concludes our house raid or house reveal Munta tayo na kitang event. It's gonna be awesome. Abayin nyo kami po. Siyempre, we start the program with the blessing. Ayan, at yung tamo kaning entrance na ning Talanai Homes. And ngayon pa ako, congratulate me na rin many muna kaning project kayo ni. Congratulations po.
Of course, we've been telling you about this. Talanai, as you can see, sa likod nyo, si Sipus Talanai is the scientific name of Mabalacat trees. That's why we chose the name. We would like to support Mabalacat's program of bringing back Balacat trees into Mabalacat. The name will speak for itself. Talanai, hindi po kami tatalikod doon sa advocacy nyo. So, you will see Balacat trees all over. It was a struggle, but we pulled it off. So, thank you all for coming this morning.
Magpasalamat kami kay Golden Minds Productions for inviting us guys nung ating kayong kailangan events. Make sure to contact them hindi lang mag-organize kayo ng event na ning grand launch na ning kaya katamong real estate hindi. Dalang salamat po guys until our next discovery. Thanks for watching. We're in Pampanga. Bye!
Peace out!